We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. When someone takes the time to specifically mention the great service they received, it allows us to know that we're doing a great job and we're meeting our commitment to unparalleled service. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.